Good morning class. Today we will discuss about different forms of energy. Students, earlier to this we basically discussed about kinetic energy, about potential energy and about mechanical energy. Now students, we will discuss some more forms. Here you can see, as earlier we have discussed about mechanical energy, that is energy which is based upon the virtue of position or movement, okay, which gives the capacity to do work. Now the secondly, that is chemical energy. So the energy released by a chemical reaction is called as chemical energy. Generally students assume that carbon is burned in the presence of oxygen, so it forms carbon dioxide and heat is released. So here the energy released is called as chemical energy. Now students, the third is heat energy. So energy produced by heat, okay, and this heat basically, that is as you can suppose that in steam engine where heat converts water into steam, and this is the example of heat energy. Now students, let's talk about light energy. Students, अगर हम बात करते हैं लाइट एनर्जी की, सो लाइट ऑल्सो हैज़ एनर्जी. लाइट में भी क्या होती है, एनर्जी होती है. सनलाइट कैन एक्टिवेट अ सोलर सेल विच प्रोड्यूसेस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू डू वर्क. जो सनलाइट होती है वो सोलर सेल को एक्टिवेट कर सकती है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए और वर्क को परफॉर्म करने के लिए. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट साउंड एनर्जी. अगर हम बात करें साउंड एनर्जी की, तो आपको पता है साउंड जो प्रोड्यूस होती है थ्रू वाइब्रेशंस बॉडी. सो वाइब्रेटिंग एयर पार्टिकल कैन कॉज वेव्स इन वाटर. तो अगर वाइब्रेटिंग पार्टिकल्स हैं तो वो वाटर में वेव्स जो है, मतलब कह सकते हैं वाटर में वेव्स को प्रोड्यूस कर सकती हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी. So students, electric energy is the major source of energy to run factories, okay. Now students, talking about magnetic energy. So heavy magnetic cranes can lift heavy loads, okay, due to magnetic energy. Now students, let's talk about solar energy. So all vegetable fuels, animals and animal products, plant products obtained from them like coal, petroleum, food, so these are solar energy. Now students, let's talk about biomass energy. So students, you have seen in your villages also that the energy that is obtained from waste material, basically the gobar gas that is obtained from a cow dung, so this is called as biomass energy. And the last, that is nuclear energy. So whenever an atom breaks to give a huge quantity of thermal energy, it is called as nuclear energy. So this is all about today's lecture, where we have seen the different form of energy and we have studied what are their definition. Thank you class.